say that Choco is the product of a broken home is to presume a home existed in the first place. No. Choco never had a home. Well, not unless you count the 10 or so juvenile correction facilities where he spent his childhood.
Dale, 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 dale. Mierda.
Yeah.
Puta.
What the fuck is this?
Where the fuck do you think you're going? Those people paid for a seminar.
You get off fucking at my windshield, bitch.
I want a job.
Jesus fucking Christ, lady. Everybody wants a goddamn job. What makes you think you can do this one, huh?
I've been training since I was 12. Knives, guns, throwing stars, you name it, I can fight with it. I'm a hard worker and a fast learner. Nothing scares me. I'm not afraid to die.
Why would a delicate little thing like you want to be a goddamn bounty hunter?
I want to have a little fun.